put the new strut assembly in. Feed the upper half in first. We don't need to fry it down, just a little here. Start one of the nuts. Okay. Put nuts in the upper part here. Starting all of it as you go. Tighten them up a little, make sure it doesn't go nowhere. Once upper assembly is done, you'll go put the bolts in the bottom. You'll have to turn it. Slide the bottom in. You'll put your bolts back in. Line the bottom up first. Tap it in with the hammer. Upper part will go back in. Tap it in with the hammer. Now from this point, folks, it's just a matter of hooking up the brake line, put your bolts back on, you put your tire on, you're ready for a road test. It's good as new. Simplest thing to do. Save you money going to the shop. Thanks, folks, and come back again for another installment.